My name is Kelsey Wilson, and I am the owner of Casa Drafting and Design. As a business, we create quality house plans for everyone and anyone looking to build their dream home or improve their current home. We are a home-based LLC providing custom house plans, space plans, tenant improvements, and interior designs to give our clients the opportunity to take the first steps towards creating their dream living space. Not everyone needs the newest gadgets and gizmos, but everyone needs somewhere to rest their head. We strive to make the living experience a fantastic one for everyone, whether that means improving our client's current home or designing them a brand new one. Oftentimes, big architecture firms will charge an arm and a leg for what they believe is the best design for you. I am here to provide a more personal, involved, and inquisitive touch that won't break the bank. Our clients will have a one-on-one experience working with me as I listen to their needs in order to provide something that suits their unique taste. Sure, we may have the competition of big design firms around us, but we provide an individual and affordable option for those who can't afford to spend thousands of dollars to see their dreams become a reality. If you are interested in learning more, here's my card.